Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope today's good, but better watching this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make globbles. They're super stress relieving and they're also a fidget toy, and fidget toys have been really popular right now, and I've also posted one about a couple of weeks ago and you really liked that video, so I decided to make another one. If you didn't, then make sure to go and check out my puppet tutorial. It's in the link in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. So to make this, you only need a couple of things, and you should basically have these all at home, and they're really cheap and affordable, and this is much better than things you will get from the shops. So without any further ado, let's get started. Whoa, wait, before we get started, we're going to do a like, subscribe and notification bell challenge. You have to press all those buttons with your pinky finger in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now, let's actually get started. So, you need a couple of balloons to start these globbles, and I've chosen 3 today. I recommend you do about 3 or 4 if you're a beginner, because if you mess up, then you can always start again, but I recommend at least 3 so it's fun to play with. And I've just blown these balloons up with air, but you can fill them with flour or anything. But if you're using flour, then just make sure to use a funnel. After you've blown these balloons, you want to tie them off really securely, and you want to try and get them to be around the same size. I've chosen different colours. You can be creative and do whatever colours you like. So once you've done this, you're going to get a container. This can be any sort of container, and you're just going to fill it with water. So here's mine. So this is the one that I chose. It's a clear container. It kind of reminds me of clear glue for some reason. And basically we're just going to get some soap. So this is the soap I'm going to be using. It's green. I'm just going to put a few pumps in it. I recommend foaming hand wash, but if you don't like me, then you can just use normal soap. It's fine. I'm just going to put in about 3 pumps. And then now just going to mix it around with your finger. You want your container to be about 3/4 full. Make sure to watch this video all the way through, because I'll be including lots of tips on how to make your globbles even stickier and more fun to play with. And if you skip this video, you're going to miss something out, because every single bit of this video is filled with something you need to know. So make sure not to skip and watch all the way through. So once it's foaming like this, and then you're just going to put your balloons in. I'm just going to cover them with soap. Make sure to have it 3/4 full, like I said before, or the water will flood out. If you don't have any hand wash soap, which is highly unlikely, you're just going to use some shampoo or even dish soap, and this will also help. So you're going to put some on top of each balloon, and this will help it stay in the water. So then we're just going to kind of put it in. So there's 2 methods to doing this, and one is really easy to do, but it takes a little while longer, but it's actually quite easy to do. So the first method is just put these in and then take it out, dry them with a towel or tissue lightly, and then put it back in, and keep repeating this until it gets sticky, which is really tiring, because I've tried this before and it's really annoying. So I recommend the second method, which is just to leave this in for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's how long I like to keep it in, but it's your choice. And while you're doing this, you just want to kind of turn them around and make sure the soap gets onto them, because that's what kind of makes it sticky. And then just keep flipping these around. You can also leave them, but I'm just going to flip them around because it makes it a little more stickier and fun to play with. So it's been around 2 to 3 minutes now. I'm just going to cover them in soap one last time. You want to try and get as much soap on there, because it makes it really sticky. And you can kind of hear the sound. You want to make sure you can kind of hear the sound, because it means it's working. So now I'm just going to take it out. And you can also keep this water, because sometimes it comes unsticky, and you can just use this water again and make it sticky again. So we're going to get a towel or a paper towel. That's the one I'm going to use today. And we're just going to take this out with soap. So you're going to take some of the soap out with it. And we're just going to put it on here. Make sure not to dry it properly, just pat it, because that makes sure it's still sticky and fun to play with. Make sure to be really careful, because these balloons can pop. And also make sure to hit the like button because you guys have really been liking my craft tutorials, so that's why I've been posting more of them and less of my gymnastics tutorials. But if you want my gymnastics tutorials, then go over to my recent gymnastics tutorial and give it a big thumbs up because I'll listen to you. And then here are our nearly finished globbles. So there's one last step to do, and this is completely optional, but I find it makes it stick a lot better because now she'll stick like this. I mean, you can still hear the noise and it's still satisfying, but to take it an extra step further, you can use perfume. And I didn't actually have any perfume, but I found an alternative, which is hand sanitizer. So hand sanitizer, everyone should basically have it now because we're in COVID, and I just found some laying around. So you can just put some on top, rub it around, and it works the same as perfume, but it's just a much cheaper and many more people have it. So just going to put this few drops on it. You want to make sure it's gentle to your skin, and that's why I've chose this one. So it's quick dry, it's gentle on your skin, and it has a refreshing fragrance. By the way, this video is not sponsored, and I recommend you get like a scented one because I don't really like the smell of hand sanitizer. And you have to make sure it's gentle on your skin because you don't want yourself having itchy skin because you're going to play with this quite a lot. Just going to rub this around. You can kind of hear it now. And if you don't find it sticky, just repeat this process again. Now we can just leave this to dry for about 2 minutes, but this is optional, so I'm not going to wait because I really want to play with mine. So it's dry now, and you can hear this noise when it's dry. And it's so satisfying, guys. Look at this. You can just put them together, squish them around. So it's literally so much fun to play with. So I'll give you a little ASMR now. You can play with it as one balloon or just stick them together. Some people think this is good news, some people think this is bad, but these don't stick anywhere except on the other balloons that have hand sanitizer on them. So that means you don't have to worry about it sticking onto places it shouldn't stick. But it also makes it less fun because you can't just throw them around. If you made it as a stress ball by putting flour in it, then it'd be a little more fun because you can just use it as a stress ball by itself, and that's satisfying by itself. But this is just a really easy and simple method to do. So make sure to share this video so all your friends and family could know about this amazing hack to make this so much cheaper. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because these globbles turned out amazing and I hope yours did too. And if they didn't, or you think they're not sticky enough, just go over the process until you feel satisfied because these are literally so much fun to play with. I'm literally obsessed with them. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell because you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. And you don't want to miss the videos I have coming up because they are so good. Make sure to check my other videos because they're so much fun to make. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!